Hey guys, this is Karen from 365 Days of Crock-Pot.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how I drain grease after I brown meat in the Instant Pot. I've browned a pound of ground beef. I'm going to be making shipwreck casserole with it, but there's a lot of grease on it that I want to get off. So there's a lot of different ways you can do that, but the way that I like to do that is just move all the meat to one side, kind of like that, and then you can see some of the grease is coming off. And then you kind of just tilt the Instant Pot to this side so that the grease kind of keeps on coming down that way. Then grab a couple paper towels, and then I just stick them in there, and they use this spoon to kind of just sop up all that grease. And so this gets a lot of the grease off, but not all of it, so you still have flavor on the meat, but it's not like swimming in the grease. Keep watching me for more tips that you can use in your kitchen with your Instant Pot.